Hello, my name's Ruben. I started with Vagrant Trader several months ago. I have a background in IT. I'm a junior network engineer. I had zero experience or knowledge when it comes to stocks or trading forex or anything. But through this course, I'm able to understand the fundamentals, the what trading's all about, how to navigate the news, the financial news that affects the trading, and the psychology that affects the trading. Um, and what I really like about it is the community-based structure that's set up, where we support each other, very open and honest about when we win trades, when we lose trades, and what we can learn from that. We help each other to understand what we can learn. The webinars with Daryl and the other mentors are phenomenal. Like it's golden nuggets of information on there on those webinars. But yeah, I'm working towards completing the course exam, final test. And look forward to being a full independent trader here soon.